Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos.
We've shown many amazing devices on this channel, but today's video takes things a step further. While modern tech can be quite impressive, some products are truly remarkable. You can buy now. Before we begin, don't forget to click that like button and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future uploads. 8. BlazePod. BlazePod is an incredibly interesting device that helps you train at home rather than worrying with going to a gym for exercise. The pods come with a phone app that can be used to teach the user many different training exercises. Many of these workouts will work your entire body, rather than small portions of it. All you need to do is choose a workout from the app, then arrange the pods in the order that the app instructs you to. After that, start your workout. The app helps train your reflexes while working your entire body. These are various activities to choose from, and each of them offers benefits over another. You can choose workouts that work best for you, your body, and your lifestyle, without having to worry with expensive gym memberships. A BlazePod kit costs just $399 from the company website and comes with 6 pods, 6 straps, 6 suction cups, and a charging base. 6. 𝐔𝐇𝐒. With drones becoming increasingly popular, it seems like companies are coming out of the woodwork to create their own variation of these popular remote-controlled aircrafts. 𝐔𝐇𝐒 is a new drone that offers a built-in 4K camera with a state-of-the-art vision positioning system. It offers a 3-axis video stabilization feature as well, so that you can capture stunningly sharp and stable footage with ease. It can record up to 1 kilometer away and transfer the video feed to a variety of storage devices. What's unique about this drone is that it also features obstacle avoidance technology, so that you never have to worry about crashing into larger objects. The 𝐔𝐇𝐒 mini app helps you perform various smart stunts and functions. You can even fly the drone around without needing to use the wireless remote. The app also has built-in editing and sharing software, so that you can share your videos fast and easily with friends and followers. This is one of the best all-in-one drones we have seen in a while, though it comes with a hefty price tag. For $499, this drone is certainly not for everyone. Though it's a great drone for the price, and you would be hard-pressed to find a better drone than this without spending several $1,000s. 5. Space 3D. Space 3D is a very ambitious product that claims to be the most affordable 10-inch printer on the market. It offers a super high resolution of 2560 by 1600 and has a 140-watt LED matrix. It can print up to 2 times faster than comparable printers, reaching speeds of about 40 millimeters per hour. The built-in LCD touchscreen makes this device extremely user-friendly. Printing is a breeze with the simple user controls and wide capability. This product aims to bring the precision of SLA printing into your home at a price that actually makes sense. This printer has been featured on various websites and news blogs over the last few months, and it is making waves in the tech industry. It is available now on Kickstarter for about $599 for a base model. Many different versions of the printer are available, so check out the Kickstarter page for more details. This printer brings plug and play to a whole new level. The company couldn't have made things easier. Plug the printer into your computer, open up your favorite 3D modeling and printing program, and begin printing your 3D creations. 4. Chiller. Chiller is a brand new technology that has just recently made its way onto the market. It is currently in the prototype phase, and the company is raising funds on Indiegogo to help fuel their idea and product model. This is a device that uses induction cooling to keep your beverages ice cold on a warm summer's day. The thermometric high-power refrigerator is packed into a small coaster that can be used with various drink containers. All you need to do is plug the coaster in and turn on the chiller, and your drinks will be cold in no time. The company hasn't mentioned how long it may take to cool a drink, but they guarantee that the device is incredibly quiet. It will not interfere with your daily activities or movie watching. 3. iRobot Mira 530. iRobot is a company we have all likely heard of. They specialize in creating vacuums that require no assistance from a human in order to operate. These cleaners simply need to be turned on. Then, they will make a map of your room and clean it accordingly. Though the company has begun to branch out into new territory and have launched the iRobot Mira 530. This is a device that can clean the bottom of your pool so that you don't have to worry with messy cleanups or paying an expensive company to clean your pool every few weeks. The device works exactly the same way as their vacuum lineup. Simply place the device in the bottom of your pool and let the robot do all of the hard work. It will scoot around across the bottom of your pool, picking up any leaves or particles that may have been left behind. These cleaners are currently hard to come by on the market, but they are estimated to sell for about $600. 2. Alljacks. Alljacks is a new device that is currently looking for backers on Indiegogo. This is a very simple device that can recharge your phone through a built-in wall adapter that attaches to your outlet. The device offers a tray that can be used to charge various devices wirelessly. The projected price for the Walljacks is about $49 US, but it is not yet available for purchase. We hope to hear more from this company in the near future about this product because it is super easy to use. Just place your device on top and let the outlet do the rest of the work. One, Blocks, Rolly Light Pad Block. The Rolly Light Pad Block is an interesting music device that allows you to interface with various apps and programs to create music using your fingers. The pad is pressure sensitive and displays various light patterns so that you can easily understand how your movements and gestures affect the music. This device is designed to be used with many different music creation programs and helps users feel the music at their fingertips while creating beats for remixing songs. It's super easy to use. Just hook it up to your phone or computer and begin tapping, pressing, or gesturing to create a song. The Rolly Light Pad Block is available now on Amazon for $64.99.
I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.